Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, this is Iman from Tech Hunter. In this video, I will be showing you two possible ways to fix the error of missing msvcp140.dll in Windows. This error may show up when you try to run certain application like Skype or Epic Games or some other application on your computer. The msvcp140.dll is a part of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages from Visual Studio 2015. And it's often required for running programs developed Visual C++. As such, some games or application may need this file in order to run effectively. So if you are seeing this error and trying to run any applications, then it implies that such application has been developed with starting running time components or acquired Visual C++ libraries to run. And with that chance is msvcp140.dll file is either missing, corrupt or outdated. So let's go ahead and get it fixed. So first of all, go to your computer or file explorer and then view. And here enable hidden files and folder. Then go to back and open a browser. And here search for msvcp140.dll download. So here we'll open the first one. It is the official website. Here you will find all kind of DLL files, but you have to download as required for your computer architecture. It's super easy to check computer architecture. Just go to this PC and right click on mouse, go to properties, and here you will find your computer architecture. If you use any older Windows version, then probably it will 32-bit, so you have to download 32-bit DLL file. As I am an update version user, so I have to download 64 architecture DLL file. Okay, close this tab and again go to your browser and download your required file. It's a small file, so it will download very quickly. As you can see, it's downloaded successfully. Now we have to extract this file before you use it. I'm gonna move it in desktop and here extract it. After extract it, you will get two files, one DLL and other one text file. We'll use this one. So that's for first of all go to this PC, then C drive, then Windows, and here open system 32-bit folder. Okay, then minimize this tab and copy your downloaded file. And paste it here. But if you are 32-bit user, then paste the downloaded file in syswow64 folder. Once you have done it, then restart your computer. Hope your problem will be fixed. But if this method do not work for you, then go to apps and features. And here be sure that you have installed Microsoft Visual C++ update version. As you can see, I don't have installed update version of Microsoft Visual C++. So that's why this problem showing in my computer. So now I have to download Microsoft Visual C++ update version and install it in my computer. That's for close this tab and again go to your browser. And here search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. And here select your language, then click on download, and here select the file as required your computer architecture. Okay, start to downloading. Once you have downloaded, then install it in your computer. Okay, once you have installed it properly in your computer, then again restart your computer. Hope it will be fix your problem. But even this method also do not work for you, then install the another update version of Microsoft Visual C++. I think last update is 2020. You have to check all updates and find out which one required for your games or application. Hope this process will fix your problem. If you want to get more videos on this topic, please comment in my video. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.